This exercise continue to use this reference for fan class. So this is how we implement it to fan objects and then print it using toString. So we have two fan objects with its own value. So here I will show you how to do much quickly than instead of typing all. So I will remove all constructors and methods. Then I will demonstrate before that. If you are familiar with UML class diagram, it consists with constants and then here data field and then series of constructors and methods. Okay, most of them we can generate using insert code in NetBeans. So let's remove all constructor and methods. Insert code. Okay, constructor, default constructor. Okay. Insert code, getter and setter. Let's select all of them, all data fields. Generate. We will generate 4 sets of getters and setters according to your data field, and then toString methods to see what's inside your object. So pretty much that's all. Only problem is the constructor sometimes doesn't work, so we may have to do manually. So copy, paste it, because this program needs a constructor with a true parameter. Okay, the first one is according to here radius and then color. So we say double radius, comma, string color, this radius equal to radius, this color equal to color. That's it. That's how you can generate a code for fan class. Actually, it's much quicker than typing by yourself, as long as you know how to use method and constructors. So you can save your time. Same output. That's all. Thank you.